Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE no notification sounds issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on notifications. Now in notifications open notification pop-up style. Go back, open notification pop-up style and here click on apps to show as brief. Now from here, if you have turned off this button, so turn on to show notifications, and after that go back and scroll down and here open battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software. And after updating, go back and here scroll down and open general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. And here click on reset accessibility settings. Now again click on reset settings to confirm. And after that enter your lock screen passcode.